Hello, good day and welcome. Today I'm going to be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 57. A box contains 3 blue, 2 green and 4 red identical balls. If 2 balls are selected at random without replacement, find the probability that the 2 balls are of the same color. A 1 over 36, B 1 over 12, C 1 over 6, D 5 over 18 and E 29 over 81. So we have to find the probability that what the 2 balls selected are of the same color. That it is either the 2 balls are either blue or they are either red or green. Now the total number of balls given, total number of the balls is equals to 3 blue plus 2 green plus 4 red, which is equal to 9. 9 balls are given. Now number of blue balls is equal to 3. Number of green balls is equal to 2, and the number of red balls is equals to 4. Now the probability of getting or picking 2 balls without replacement and ensuring that these 2 balls are of the same color is given as the probability that these 2 balls are blue, or the probability that the 2 balls are green, or the probability that the 2 balls are red. And that is, let me represent this now in mathematically. So probability of selecting balls of same color is equal to, now let me write the formula here now, is equal to, now look at it here now, is equal to the probability that these 2 balls of what are blue, probability that the 2 balls are blue plus, or that's, or this plus now represents all, probability that the 2 balls are are green, or that is plus probability that the 2 balls are are red. So therefore this is equal to, now probability of selecting 2 balls that are blue is given as, since the number of blue balls is 3 all over and the total number is 9 times, remember by picking 2 balls, so times, now the next now will not be 3 again, because what the statement says without replacement. So if the first ball is picked and the first, initially we have 3 blue balls, now when you pick one out of those 3 is remaining 2 blue balls in the box, and then the total number also will reduce to 8. So now the next will be 2 all over 8 instead of 3 over 9 again. So it's all over 8 because we selected it and we know what to replace it, so without replacement. So therefore, since we remove 1 out of 3 we have 2, and since we remove 1 out of 9 we have 8. Or the probability of getting the 2 balls to be green, and that is, now the total number of green balls is 2. So first we have 2 all over 9 times, now similarly again without replacement. So now since we've removed 1 green, we'll be left with 1 green, and since we've removed 1 out of the total number of balls, we'll be left with 8. So 1 over 8 plus the probability of getting a red ball, and that is 4 over 9 for the first ball, then without replacement multiply by 3 over 9, 3 over 8. Remember we removed 1 out of the red ball, so it's left 3, and remove 1 out of 9 balls, so 8, 3 over 8. Now this will be equal to, so from here we'll have that 3 over 9 will give us 1 all over 3 multiply by 2 over 8 will give us 1 over 4 plus, now here we have that 2 will go into here once and into here 4 times. So we have that 1 all over 36. 9 times 4 will give us 36. 1 over 36 plus, now we have 4 here. 4 will go into here once and into 8 2 times, and 3 will go into here once and into 9 3 times 2 will give us 6, so we have what? 1 all over 6. Now this is equal to 1 over 3 times 1 over 4 will give us 1 over 12 plus 1 all over 36 plus 1 all over 6. Now the LCM here is what? 36. 12 in 36, that is 36 divided by 12, which is the LCM. 36 is the LCM, will give us 3. 3 times 1 will be 3 plus 36 in 36, 1 times 1, 1 plus 6 in 36 is 6. 6 times 1, 6. So we have 3 plus 1 plus 6 all over 36, and that is equal to 3 plus 1 will give us 4 plus 6 will give us 10 over 36. Now let's break it down to the simplest form. The common factor here is 2. 2 will go into 10 5 times, and 2 will go into 36 18 times. So the probability of selecting two balls that are of the same color is 5 over 18, and that is option D, 5 over 18. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.